Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the skies with a lineup of jaw-dropping affordable drones for 2025. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned flyer on a budget, these drones pack incredible features like 4K UHD cameras, extended flight times, and smart connectivity, all without breaking the bank. Let's take flight and check them out. The Ruko U11S drone, a feature-rich option for travelers and hobbyists. Recording in 4K, this drone comes with a built-in remote ID, providing enhanced security and regulatory compliance. Enjoy an ultra-wide 120-degree field of view for immersive aerial shots, along with a smart GPS auto-return function. With a solid 40-minute flight time, 5G live transmission, and a foldable design for ultimate portability, the Ruko U11S is loaded with features like Follow Me Mode and Circle Fly, designed specifically for the beginner adventurer who wants professional-grade tech. Meet the N11PRO GPS drone, an absolute powerhouse for beginners and pros alike. This drone boasts a stunning 4K UHD camera that captures crisp cinematic footage, while its advanced GPS functions work to stabilize every flight. Enjoy up to 90 minutes of flight time, perfect for capturing extended adventures. With features like long control range, auto return, and follow me mode, and powered by a robust brushless motor and 5G FPV transmission, the N11PRO turns every journey into an epic aerial experience. Holy Stone GPS drone HS360S takes affordability to new heights. Weighing in at just 249 grams, this foldable FPV quadcopter is designed for portability and ease of use. It features a 4K UHD camera for stunning visuals, a control range of up to 10,000 feet, and a smart return home feature that ensures your investment is always safe. With brushless motors and 5G transmission, this drone is built to be a reliable companion for your creative outdoor adventures. For those who are just starting out or need a fun, versatile option, check out the Loiley drone with camera. This 2K HD FPV drone is packed with user-friendly features like upgrade altitude hold, one-key takeoff and landing, and headless mode that takes the guesswork out of flight. With speed adjustment controls and the inclusion of 2 batteries, this drone ensures longer playtime and reliability, making it a fantastic gift for teen boys, girls, and anyone serious about dipping their toes into the world of FPV flying. The X-Shop drone with camera offers a compact and playful option for both kids and adults. This mini FPV drone records in 1080p HD and is equipped with altitude hold, one-key takeoff landing, and headless mode for effortless flying. With fun extras like 360-degree flips and speed adjustments, this drone doubles as a toy and a serious learning tool, making it the perfect introduction to aerial photography and FPV maneuvering. There you have it, the most affordable and feature-packed drones of 2025. Drop your favorite in the comments below. I'd love to hear which one you'll be taking for a spin. If you enjoyed this dive into tomorrow's tech, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for even more high-flying reviews. Until next time, keep your eyes on the skies and happy flying.